HD Interiors fans. Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel. A bathroom is more than just a functional space, it's a place of retreat, relaxation, and daily refreshment. The way it's designed can set the tone for comfort and luxury while reflecting personal style. Whether it's a complete remodel or a few thoughtful updates, the right ideas can transform any bathroom into a timeless sanctuary. From sleek modern layouts to spa-inspired details and clever storage solutions, there are endless ways to create a space that feels both practical and beautiful. In this video, we'll explore top bathroom design ideas, remodeling inspirations, and timeless decorative touches that bring elegance and harmony to any home. Simplicity often creates the most powerful impact in bathroom design. A minimalist approach focuses on clean lines, uncluttered layouts, and functional beauty. Floating vanities and frameless glass shower enclosures create an open, airy feeling, while built-in storage ensures everything has its place without overwhelming the room. Neutral color palettes, soft whites, gentle grays, and warm natural tones set a calming atmosphere that feels effortlessly modern. The beauty of minimalism is that it allows each element to shine without distraction, creating a bathroom that feels both refreshing and timeless. Bringing natural elements into the bathroom instantly adds warmth and character. Stone countertops, marble details, and textured surfaces create a sense of sophistication while remaining durable and long-lasting. Wooden vanities, shelving, or accent walls soften the harder edges of stone and tile, striking the perfect balance between luxury and comfort. Even small touches, like bamboo accessories or pebble-inspired tiles, can make the space feel grounded and connected to nature. Natural light enhances these materials, highlighting their unique patterns and tones. Pairing them with neutral shades or earthy colors creates harmony throughout the room. Whether it's a sleek marble sink or a rustic wood accent, natural elements give the bathroom a timeless appeal that never goes out of style. Transforming a bathroom into a spa-like retreat is all about creating a sense of calm and relaxation. Freestanding bathtubs instantly become the centerpiece, offering a place to unwind after a long day. Rainfall showers with glass enclosures provide a luxurious experience, especially when paired with soft lighting that sets a soothing mood. Adding natural touches, like plants or stones, enhances the feeling of serenity and connection to nature. Built-in shelving for candles, essential oils, or rolled towels introduces both function and a spa-inspired aesthetic. Every detail, from the choice of fixtures to the textures of the surfaces, works together to create a bathroom that feels less like a utility space and more like a personal sanctuary. Modern bathrooms can be elevated with the right touch of technology, blending convenience with comfort. Motion sensor faucets conserve water while adding a sleek, modern detail. Heated flooring provides warmth underfoot, making the space cozy even on cooler mornings. Smart mirrors with built-in lighting or defogging features bring both practicality and luxury into daily routines. Digital shower systems allow precise control of water temperature and pressure, turning an ordinary shower into a personalized experience. Even simple upgrades, like smart lighting that adjusts brightness based on time of day, can make a big difference. These innovations enhance everyday living while keeping the bathroom stylish and effortlessly functional. Adding bold accents is a powerful way to give a bathroom personality while keeping the overall design refined. A statement wall with patterned tiles or textured stone immediately draws attention and sets the tone for the space. Unique sinks with sculptural shapes or faucets and striking finishes like matte black or brushed gold become artistic features that stand out. Lighting also plays a key role. Chandeliers, pendant lights, or dramatic sconces can serve as focal points while enhancing the atmosphere. Even small touches, like a richly colored vanity or a distinctive mirror frame, can bring a sense of individuality. When used thoughtfully, bold accents turn the bathroom into a stylish showcase without overwhelming the timeless design underneath. A well-designed bathroom balances beauty with practicality, and smart storage plays a big role in achieving that. Floating vanities with deep drawers keep everyday essentials neatly tucked away, while open shelving can display towels or decorative accents without creating clutter. Recessed niches inside showers are perfect for organizing toiletries, keeping them within reach yet out of sight. Tall cabinets or built-in storage units make the most of vertical space, especially in smaller bathrooms. Even details like mirrored medicine cabinets or pull-out organizers can maximize functionality without compromising style. By blending storage seamlessly into the design, the bathroom remains organized, streamlined, and effortlessly elegant. Color sets the mood of a bathroom, and choosing timeless shades ensures the space always feels fresh and inviting. Classic whites paired with soft neutrals create a clean, serene atmosphere that never goes out of style. Black and white combinations add striking contrast, offering both elegance and a modern edge. For a warmer feel, earthy tones like beige, taupe, and soft browns bring a natural calmness that pairs beautifully with wood and stone. Subtle pastels can also add a gentle touch of color without overwhelming the space. By sticking to versatile palettes, the bathroom remains stylish and adaptable, no matter how design preferences evolve over time. Lighting has the power to completely transform a bathroom's atmosphere. Layered lighting works best, combining ambient ceiling lights with task lighting around mirrors and softer accent lights for mood. Backlit mirrors not only add functionality but also bring a modern, elegant glow. Pendant lights or wall sconces can highlight key areas and act as decorative features at the same time. Natural light is equally important, with windows or skylights making the space feel open and airy. By thoughtfully mixing different types of lighting, the bathroom becomes brighter, more functional, and far more inviting. Designing a small bathroom is all about making the most of every inch without sacrificing style. Wall-mounted sinks and toilets free up valuable floor space, creating a more open feel. Large format tiles reduce grout lines, giving the illusion of a bigger, cleaner surface. Mirrors are especially powerful in compact spaces, reflecting light and visually expanding the room. Clever storage solutions, like recessed cabinets or slim shelving, keep essentials organized while maintaining a clutter-free look. With the right balance of smart planning and thoughtful design, even the smallest bathroom can feel spacious, functional, and inviting. The finishing details are what truly bring character to a bathroom. Adding greenery introduces freshness and a natural touch that instantly softens the space. High-quality hardware, whether in brushed gold, matte black, or polished chrome, elevates the overall design while remaining durable and stylish. Decorative mirrors, textured rugs, or a carefully chosen piece of artwork can add personality without overwhelming the room. Even simple accessories like glass jars, woven baskets, or elegant soap dispensers make a lasting impact. These small yet thoughtful details ensure the bathroom feels complete, personal, and timeless. A successful bathroom remodel starts with careful planning. Mapping out the layout before any work begins helps avoid costly mistakes and ensures the space flows naturally. Choosing durable, water-resistant materials is essential, as they stand up to daily use while keeping the bathroom looking fresh for years. It's also important to balance function with style. Opt for fixtures and finishes that not only look beautiful but also make everyday routines easier. Paying attention to ventilation, lighting, and storage during the planning stage prevents issues later on. With thoughtful decisions, a remodel can transform a bathroom into a space that feels both practical and luxurious. The best bathroom designs strike a balance between current trends and classic elements that never fade. Bold tiles, unique fixtures, or trendy colors can be introduced in smaller details, like accent walls or accessories, so they can be updated easily over time. Meanwhile, larger features such as flooring, countertops, and vanities are best kept in timeless materials and neutral tones for long-lasting appeal. This approach allows the bathroom to evolve without requiring a full remodel every few years. By blending the fresh energy of modern design with the stability of classic choices, the space remains stylish, functional, and relevant no matter how tastes change. It's a strategy that ensures beauty and practicality work hand in hand. A bathroom should be more than just a functional space. It has the potential to be a retreat that blends comfort, beauty, and practicality. From minimalist layouts and natural materials to spa-like features, smart technology, and bold accents, each design choice shapes the atmosphere and usability of the room. Lighting, storage, and color schemes tie everything together, while thoughtful decorative touches add the finishing layer of personality. When remodeling or refreshing a bathroom, the goal is to balance timeless elements with modern details, creating a space that feels elegant today and for years to come. With the right mix of design, function, and creativity, any bathroom can become a sanctuary that enhances daily life. For more inspiring ideas on designing beautiful spaces, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors.